here is how you can turn off the keyboard vibration on your iPhone. Let's get started, and if you're new here or first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so if you go to your settings and find a general, then you go to the keyboard, which is showing up right there. You just go to the keyboard. We have some things, right? So we have the keyboards, screen replacement, and so many toggles, but the one you are interested in here is the haptic feedback. Right, so when you disable this, the keyboard is not going to make any vibrations when you type on it. So if you are looking for just a quick fix like that, this is what you need to disable. Obviously, you can proceed further and decide if you enable the sound or not, and the character preview, and so on. So that is, of course, for the built-in keyboard. If you, however, need a little bit more, you can as well explore third-party keyboards on the App Store, things like Gboard made by Google or SwiftKey made by Microsoft, which are great alternatives and also have their own settings for things like vibration and sounds and stuff like that. So you don't have to just stay with the Apple one. You can as well explore some other options outside of this. So that's essentially all. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads, only if you subscribe, so do that right now, and I'll see you later.